Here is the boy's address. He said. Address. Address. एड्रेस मीन्स जहाँ पर कोई रहता है, किसी के घर का एड्रेस, ठीक है, किसी के घर का पता. Here is the boy's address. He said, this bottle has come all the way from New Zealand. It is a country far, far away over the deep blue sea. Means this is a paper which came from New Zealand. कि ये जो पेपर है ये न्यूजीलैंड से आया है. एंड न्यूजीलैंड is the name of a country which is far, far away. जो बहुत दूर है. You must write to David. You must be a small child. He must be a small child just like you. Old Babu told the children to write back to David. वो डेविड से वो कहता है कि हसन और आफिया भी डेविड को लिखें, कुछ लेटर लिखें. Tell him that you found his message and what to tell in the message that we got your message, we got your paper. Means old Babu wanted the children to write a letter to David in which they tell him that we found your message. The children looked down at their feet. They looked sad. They looked sad means उदास हो गए. बच्चे नीचे अपने feet पाँव की तरफ देखने लगे and they looked sad और वो उदास हो गए. क्यों उदास हो गए अब हम देखेंगे. Why are you looking so sad? Asked old Babu. Old Babu asked them, why are you looking so sad? कि तुम क्यों इतने उदास नजर आ रहे हो. We cannot read or write. Can we? Replied Afia quietly. We are foolish. Foolish means they tell old Babu that they cannot write or read. उन्हें पढ़ना और लिखना नहीं आता and they think we are foolish. Foolish means we do not know what to do. बेवकूफ़ जिसको कहते हैं, ठीक है. You are not foolish at all, said old Babu. Why don't you learn? Why don't you learn? Learn. Old Babu said to them, you are not foolish कि तुम बेवकूफ़ नहीं हो. And he suggested them to learn. वो उन्हें कहता है कि तुम पढ़ना सीखो. There is no school here, said Hassan, because they lived in a fishing village and there was no school in that village. How can we learn? हसन कहता है कि हमारे तो गांव में कोई स्कूल ही नहीं है तो हम कैसे पढ़ सकते हैं. I will teach you, said old Babu with a smile. Old Babu told them that he can teach them. ओल्ड बाबू उनसे कहता है कि मैं तुम्हें पढ़ना सिखा सकता हूँ. From that day every afternoon when the shop was quiet, the children sat with old Babu. He gave them paper and pencils and he taught them. Taught. 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 ठीक है. After that every afternoon, उसके बाद से हर आफ्टरनून. आफ्टरनून मीन्स जो दोपहर के बाद का टाइम होता है, ठीक है. उसके बाद हर आफ्टरनून when the shop was closed because old Babu was a shopkeeper, so he closed the shop and then the children came to old Babu to read and write. बच्चे old Babu के पास पढ़ने के लिए आने लगे and he taught them और वो उन्हें पढ़ाता था, ठीक है. Some months later बाद में, कुछ महीने बाद, कुछ टाइम बाद, Afia and Hassan wrote a letter to David in New Zealand. They learned how to read and write. उन्हें पढ़ना लिखना आ गया था. So they wrote a letter to David. He wrote back to them. The months went by, the years went by. और ऐसे ही लिखते पढ़ते महीने, months और years, साल गुजरते गए. आफिया एंड हसन स्टिल राइट टू डेविड, अभी भी आफिया और हसन डेविड को लिखते हैं. नाउ दे आर nearly as old Babu was when he first read them the message in the bottle. और अब उन्हें लिखते लिखते और एक दूसरे का फ्रेंड बने इतना टाइम हो गया है that they also have become old as old Babu was at that time. ऐसे छोटे बच्चे थे वो और अब एक दूसरे को लेटर लिखते लिखते इतना टाइम गुजर चुका है कि वो तीनों आफिया, हसन और डेविड भी इतने ओल्ड हो चुके हैं जितना ओल्ड बाबू उस टाइम था. ओके.